What is up, guys? Welcome back to Shannon Bradford Outdoors. We are chasing pike today. Got the kayak, they're all rigged out. We got one fly rod, it's a 8-weight, and three other rods. Using 100-pound mono, like a little, 8-inch leader or so. So, yeah, let's catch some pike. Okay, I was just trolling with the jerk bait, and I pretty sure I got something pretty good sized. Feels really heavy. Haven't felt head shakes much, but what is it? Oh yeah, it's a pike, baby. Heck yeah. All right, we'll get the net out here. Whoa, buddy. Yeah, got him. Nice. It's been a while since I've fished here, and nice to get a pike. Let's go to shore, and we'll get some pictures and everything with them from shore. All right, we just got the hook out. Just using this purple jerk bait here. Let's get a measurement on this guy. Okay, about 24 and a half. Okay, there's that pike. Not super big or anything, but it's still a pike, so. A lot of fun. Bent my rod over pretty good, so yeah. All right, buddy. Thanks for playing. See ya. Well, we can follow him for a little bit. All right. Just gonna do the same thing we were doing. Just trolling in around 20 feet or so. So we'll just keep doing it. Going about 1.5 to 2 miles per hour. Just kind of changing it up a little bit every once in a while. Big rock right there. Oh, it's real shallow right here. I haven't felt any head shakes, so I don't know what this is. Still no head shakes, it's just straight weight. Okay, whoa, there we go. There's some pull. Are we recording? Whoa, all right. Whoa! All right, this is a big fish. This is a big fish, y'all. Holy smokes. Yep, this is gonna be a big one. Holy crap, whoa! It's a lot bigger than the last one. Oh, he's gonna jump. Holy crap, look at that pike! Oh, that's a big, oh! Woo! Look at that pike, y'all. That's a big one. Yep, that's a big pike. It was just all weight at first. He didn't He didn't give me any head shakes or nothing. Oh, I thought I was snagged on some weeds or something, and then all of a sudden he started pulling down. This is a big pike. This is definitely gonna be a PB, I think. Loosen up a little bit. Oh, look at that. Holy smokes. This is a good one. This is a good one. Look at that. Come on, buddy, come on. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Holy crap. Let's start getting the shore a little bit. Take him a little bit to shore. Holy crap. This is a big pike. Big pike. Try and get the shore without losing them here. I got 100-pound mono leader on there, so I'm not worried about his teeth at all. I like mono a lot more than still leader because it gives the jerkbait a little more action, I think, anyway. It's a big pike. Big pike. Just trying to get the shore. There he is. There he is. There's a good pike. Holy smokes, dude. Gotta put it in my gut. Oh. Holy smokes. Look at him. That's a monster. Oh. Oh, heck yes. I'm gonna push this kayak. Oh, come here. Oh, dude. Why? Oh, it's too deep. Too deep. We gotta get him landed. We were not wasting his energy too bad. All right, come here, bud. Oh, look at him. Woo! Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap. Got him. Yes. 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 Look at him. Holy frickin' crap. Woo! There's a big boy. Look at those teeth. And that bait is all the way down there. Oh, come here. Ow. Yep, he cut me up a little bit. Woo! Holy crap. Oh. All right, throw him on the measuring board real fast. He's gonna be over 30, I'm pretty sure. Oh. Woo, okay. There's the 30-inch mark, so he got about, he might be, so that's about 9. He's probably 40. This might be a 40-inch fish, guys. Alrighty, guys. One last show off of this big old pike. Look at her. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Fat, look at that. Fat pike. Heck yes. Ow, that hurts, man. She cut me up good right there. Woo-hoo-hoo. Okay, let's give her a little revive. We'll let her go. She's got the under jaw here, the under bite. Oh, so sick. There she goes. Alrighty, back to trolling. See if we can get another monster like that. That'd be so sick. That was a big pike, around 40 inches or so. So super girthy pike. I need to invest in a pike and like tiger muskie net. These things are freaking huge, giant nets. They are not cheap though, so definitely need to buy one though for big fish like that. When they're that big, I don't even try to net them with that net. Way too small. You'll rip up their fins and everything if you do that. So best just to land it by hand. One thing I forgot to say, I've been sitting in a tree stand for like 2 days straight. Me and my dad are out bear hunting, and yeah, I've been sitting in a tree stand for a while. My butt is super sore, so I'm gonna head to a different lake after I troll this north end. That way I can just give my butt a little rest. So, alrighty guys, we are at the next lake here. I've never caught a largemouth bass or anything on a whopper plopper, so that's gonna be the goal of this little trip. There's like little trout and green sunfish jumping everywhere though, so I might get a pretty good mixed bag while I'm out. Yeah, I got a bunch of different rods out, so we'll see what we can get. All right, there are fish jumping everywhere right here, so before we throw the whopper plopper out, I'm gonna try throwing this little grasshopper. Dry fly grasshopper. Let's see what we can get. There we go. All right, let's see what it is. Oh yeah, big green sunfish, baby. Oh, big pregnant one too. It's not massive, I guess, but good sized. Sunfish are on bed, it looks like. Sweet, they're tons of fun when they're on bed. See ya. Green sunfish and bluegill are so fun. Super aggressive fish. There's another. Oh, heck yeah, there's a bunch on bed right there. I guess probably everywhere in the shallows, really, so. Come here. Oh, another big, fat female. Got a nice little red spot there. Oh, that's a little hole. That's a hole in its gill. And its gill plate. That little red spot is its actual gills. Pretty weird. Alright, girl. See ya. She's obviously doing just fine. Oh, instantly. Ooh, this is a fighter. Oh, that's a good one, that's why. Really good one, holy crap. We'll measure this one. This one freaking choked it too. Holy crap, look at that girl. All right, let's see, mouth closed. Close your mouth, come on. Mouth closed. 8 3/4. Yep, just touches 8 3/4. That's nuts. Okay. Get a release on her. What a freaking hog. What a hog. All right, let's throw it back out. There's a bunch on bed. This reservoir has always been super fast action for green sunfish and bass. There's some good sized bass in here too, so we'll get to them here shortly. There we go. Feels like another decent one. Oh yeah, another freaking toad. Holy smokes. We might have to make our own separate video of just these guys. Oh, he got off. Anyway, you all saw him. Yeah, here's the little grasshopper fly we're throwing. It's like a little It's like a mini Chernobyl fly. Yellow and green, a little bit of brown in there. So if you don't know how to fly fish, another thing you can do is go buy some crickets from the pet store or whatever. Throw those on your hook and just throw it out in the shallows. You'll freaking catch so many bluegill and green sunfish doing that. Live crickets work really, really good. So just a little tip there if you don't fly fish. Okay, let's go throw this whopper plopper. Oh, there's one. What a hook though. Doesn't feel very big. Is this a green sunfish? Oh, holy crap. No way. That green sunfish freaking took the whopper plopper. It's not even a big one. I don't know how he got the freaking hook in his mouth. Dude, you need to chill. See ya. Holy smokes. What a guy. Okay. That is a first. Green sunfish on a whopper plopper. Dang, I thought it was a bass. Dang it. It's pretty sick still though, I guess. Oh, come on. Come on, Mr. Bass. You gotta be in here somewhere. I don't know, maybe not. Where the bass at, man? Trying to play keep away from these green sunfish. Pretty hard one. Oh! Green sunfish at it again. What a wild bunch. Let's see if he'll hit it again. Ah! We're hitting a bait just as big as they are. It's insane. Oh, smack it. I see him. He's right there. What a guy. Oh, that was a bass. Son of a... Oh, little green sunfish. Oh, hit it. He's right there. Those green sunfish are wild. Need a bass though. I want a bass to hit it. There we go, baby. There's a largie. Haha. Heck yeah. Alright, we got a largemouth, we got 2 pike, we got 1 trout, and we got a bunch of green sunfish. Heck yeah, what a day. What a great day. Now we just need a bigger bass. That's kind of a dink. Whoa, buddy. Alright, ready? See you. Ha ha. Yes. Ooh, what's that? That's a green sunfish on the top right there. Let's see if I'll hit. Oh, look at that. Green sunfish. Holy crap, these guys are aggressive. Alright, buddy. See ya. Alrighty guys, before it gets too dark, I'll close this video out. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment down below, and hit that subscribe button. See you on the next one.